Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a question for you. Imagine your customer asks you to call them back on their phone number, which starts with 0929. So my question is right away, do you know which network provider that is? And if you don't, no worries, with CouponBet, you can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So the first thing what you need to do is just go to CouponBet, log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you can see this is the dashboard. And what we need to go to the Tools tab. So click here on the Tools, and once you click on the Tools, you will see here all the items available right now. And these are all the tools on CouponBet suitable for your travel agency. What we need to do is scroll down to the bottom, and in here you can see the Provider Prefix Checker. And what we need to do is we need to type in the provider prefix or the prefix of 0929. Let's do that right away. 0929. And once you type that, you can see instantly this is a smart provider. So now you know exactly which phone you need to use to call your customer. So if you like tools like this, tools that help your travel agency to be more organized, just go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.